I'll edit the end. What's up, guys? We're here at Pinky Tune Shop. Right here with my boy Chris. Show Chris over here. Show him what's up. Say what's up, Chris.
What's up, bro? We're
gonna put you on camera and embarrass you because I am doing the same thing. So we got this Ram here. I did a 392 swap, and we're gonna make some power today. I estimated, Chris, how much is this gonna make since you're the expert here?
392 out of a car or
392 out of a Scat Pack.
cam?
Nope, won't stock. Has shorty headers and an intake. Headers. Over 400. This man said over 400. All right.
To the wheel.
To the wheel. All right. So we're gonna see if that's true. So he got me excited now. I'm pretty excited. Show him where we're at. We're at Pinky Tune Shop. He got me in the next day. I hit him up yesterday at like 1 a.m. and less than 24 hours and we're already here. So we're about to do the first pool here. Show me something.
You already know. I'm on par no car, baby.
If this blows up, we're gonna edit this out. I didn't do this. First pull, let's see what it does. Nice, first pull. Did it run a little lean?
Hey, that fucking pull.
Oh shit. 369 first pull? That's pretty good.
That's the wheel, right?
So, what did you see? What did you see?
A little lean.
All right, ran a little lean. Okay. And would that be because we took the cats off? Gotcha. So the O2s are reading, the fuel trims are reading a little black.
They're a little different.
Got you. Sick. Let's check out this graph.
We got that figured out. Get it figured out.
So this.
Ripping it out. Yeah, this is where we want it closer to the line or underneath, as in like.
So top of this is
12.5.
lean.
Yeah, this is 12. Well, right here is 12. It's marking 12, but it's usually like 12.5. Anything over is lean.
So is this preset like air fuel ratio or Pinky Tune himself? Is that
Yeah.
that's where he wants it?
No, that's where Pinky usually wants.
Oh, okay.
If it's any around
That's the perfect air ratio for
that's
him.
That's where the cars usually
Oh.
perform best.
So I'll go up that much. You think it'll reach the fork?
The only way is seeing.
I'm not gonna show your face or expose your secrets, but what did you do? What did we change here a little bit?
No speaking English.
All right, guys, he doesn't speak English. We're ready for a pull. Different? Oh, we picked up some power. Let's see the graph. Nice, it picked up power pretty much everywhere. Right here is kind of the same, but oh shit.
He has it on the laptop.
Sick.
Yeah, it's still.
Ooh, it sounds good, Mike. It sounds good. Oh, baby. stand back here in case shit explodes. Sorry. I didn't say the bad word. Number 3. Bull number 3, I think. Squeaky brakes. What are we looking at? Working on that fuel. Nice. Let me see that twerk, Pinky.
386.
Right there.
Oh shit, it is a.
It made a little less torque.
So I'll give me more power.
It's on gears. What gears you got?
Nice. Alright, I think we're going for like the 5th pull. Is this the 5th pull, maybe? That rear end's working. Yeah, it should sound like a Hellcat. Oh yeah, that tip looks terrible. What are we looking at here? Oh, 381. This is the most recent pull?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I keep saying bad words. This is YouTube. I said, oh snap. I said, oh snap. For the kids, I said, oh snap. Alright, so these are the final numbers. After my man's here. I'm not gonna show his face, he's shy. After my man's here. Nice little graph. Sick. Damn, right now? It's packed out here, baby. It's packed out here. Oh. It's packed as fuck out here. Oh, I'll keep saying bad words. It's. The lawnmower. It's the lawnmower. Get my cup. Hey, I was gonna say rev it one time, but it's all good. Rev it one time, brother. All right. That sounds pretty good. Thank you, sir. Damn, look at this quad tip Corvette exhaust. That's pretty sick, man.